Hello everyone. Today you're going to learn how to start affiliate marketing without an audience. And you're going to want to watch this entire training until the very end because I'm going to give you 5 steps that you need to take in order to start affiliate marketing. And what's going to be great about this amazing training is that I'm going to show you step by step exactly what you need to do in order to start a profitable online business with affiliate marketing. Also, this training is absolutely beginner friendly. It's great for anyone that's new to affiliate marketing. So you're going to really want to watch this training until the very end. All right, let's begin. Okay, let's begin with the 5 steps on how to start affiliate marketing without an audience. But before I show you these 5 important steps, I want to tell you that everyone starts with no audience, okay? No matter what business you're starting, everyone starts without an audience. And I'm going to show you an example of what I mean by that. All right, so if you look here, I'm going to show you this graph. Now, this is a graph of a Facebook group that I created last year. And when I created this Facebook group, the name of my group is 30-Day Belly Fat Loss. Okay, I'm in the weight loss niche. When I created this group last year, I had no members. I had no audience. I had no subscribers. So I started this last year, right? This group last year, sometime in October. And throughout the months, it has grown and grown and grown. And now I have over 6,341 members in my group. But as I mentioned before, I had no audience back here. I had no one in my group when I started this last year in October. Look at that, 54 members in October 26 compared to that now, over 6,000. So I just show you this graph because I want to show you that everyone starts with no audience, but whatever you do, don't quit, because you may be thinking, this is hard to do if I don't have an audience. Don't worry, you can eventually grow your audience. But I'm going to show you is 5 important steps that's going to really help you to start affiliate marketing without an audience. All right, let's begin. So step number one on how to start affiliate marketing without an audience. So step number 1 is you want to find a good quality product to promote. Now, there are many kind of products that you can promote. So for example, look here, we have Amazon. Amazon has so many products to promote. The store Target, Netflix. Netflix is a very popular program that many people use. It's actually month after month. ClickBank is a company that has so many digital products that you can promote, and I want to show you more specifically. So if we go here, right, I want to show you here. If I go to the Amazon store, look here, I'm in the Amazon store. There are so many products that you can promote: clothes, shoes, electronics, you name it. Amazon has everything. So for example, if you are in electronics and you want to promote, say, computers, you just type out computers, and then you can look here and you can figure out what product, what computer you want to promote, right? And when you promote that product, someone buys it, you make money. Keep that in mind, okay? Okay, now I want to show you ClickBank. Now, ClickBank has many digital products, right? So keep this in mind. It has many digital products. Whereas, right, Amazon has what? Amazon has physical products. I think they also have digital products like ebooks, right? And I think maybe audiobooks. But what ClickBank specializes in digital products. So for example, I'm in the weight loss niche, right? So if I click here and I want to promote a product that's in the weight loss niche, then all I do is I go here and I take a look at the list of all the products that are available in the weight loss niche, in the health and fitness niche, right? And I just scroll down here, or you can scroll down here and you can look at the information and see if it's a product you want to promote. And you can click here to read more about the offer and the product, right? So just find a product that you want to promote. Look at this one, the smoothie diet. So keep that in mind, right? So going back here, this is step number 1. You want to find a good quality product to promote from a company, and whether it's a physical product or a digital product. Okay, moving on. So step number 2 on how to start affiliate marketing without an audience is you want to find people on a certain platform. So people all over the world, it doesn't matter what country, they're either on Facebook, they're on YouTube, they're on Twitter, they're on TikTok. So there's people everywhere, and it does not matter the niche. It does not matter if you are interested, if your niche is the dog niche, or if you are in the electronic niche, or if you're in the sports niche. There's people everywhere, all over the world, on the internet. All you need to do is just go to a certain platform and then focus on that platform. So I want to show you, so for example, right, I'm going to show you TikTok. Now TikTok is quite popular. There's so many people that are posting videos on TikTok, right? But the thing about TikTok is that you don't just want to post random videos. You want to post quality videos, right? That's what you want to do. And I'm going to explain more about that here. As I mentioned before, TikTok is very popular. And so what you want to do is you want to figure out what platform you want to focus on, whether it's TikTok, whether it's YouTube, or even like a blog, and focus on that, right? Focus on that. Okay, now step number 3. Step number 3 on how to start affiliate marketing without an audience. So step number 3 is you want to start creating quality content for your audience. So what do I mean by that? Creating quality content. So I'm going to show you 2 things. First, I'm going to show you my blog. I mentioned before to you, I'm in the weight loss niche. So I created this blog, right? And my audience is here on Google. They're searching for how to lose weight. So I created this blog that helps people to lose weight. Look at the blog post, how to lose stomach fat, right? How to lose belly fat in 2 weeks. So I create these posts in order to help people come to my site, get information, and I can also promote my products, my affiliate products, or you can promote your products. Keep that in mind, right? And what's great about a blog is that you can create and provide amazing content to people. Like, look here, I have a lot of information, I have a lot of visual pictures, I give a lot of tips, right? 4 simple steps to quickly get started with a belly fat diet. So I give a lot of information to people, and people come here and they're like, wow, I like the information he has. So I can promote a product, I can promote an affiliate product, I can promote going back here, I can promote a ClickBank product, right? I can promote a ClickBank product on my website. Okay, so now I want to show you also another example. So let's go back here. I want to show you something that I created last year, and I created last year a Facebook page. Okay, now I want to show you quickly. Look here. I created a Facebook page last year, and I know Facebook pages are no longer as popular as they used to be, but I was very surprised by this. I just started posting content on this page once in a while, and I just recently realized that I have 360 likes and 419 people following me. I think this is insane. So let me show you my Facebook page, right? So if I go here, the name of my Facebook page is 30-Day Belly Fat Loss. Okay, I said before, I'm in a weight loss niche. So this is something that you can do. You don't have to do this, but I just want to show you as an example. So this is what I mean by creating quality content. Okay, so look here, I'm in a weight loss niche, helping people lose belly fat. So what I did was I started to create content. Look at the content here. This is a weight loss motivation, right? How to stop eating junk food at night. I give tips. This is quality content, right? Look here, get slimmer while saving money, right? So I create this content, and look at here. If you look here, 80 people reach, right? It's reaching people. This is how I was able to get so many likes and people to follow me, right? Because people started coming to my page and they started liking my content. Look at this one, weekend morning fat loss. So if you look here, 81 people reach, right? And this is creating quality content. I had a fat loss challenge. Look at this, 5-day fat loss challenge. And if you look here, 75 people reach, right? So you want to start creating quality content. Look at this one, how to shrink your stomach. And I give some information, like some tips, and 104 people reach. So I share this with you so you can have an idea of what it means to create quality content. All right, so it's very important. All right, let's go next to well, before we go on to the next step, if you like this video so far, I want you to share this information, this video, with a friend, with a family member. Share it on Facebook, share it on other social media platforms. Also, if you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, let's continue. So let's continue on to the next step. So the next step is step number 4. Step number 4 on how to start affiliate marketing without an audience. So step number 4 is very important because you want to give away free stuff. You want to give away free stuff. Now let me explain what I mean by free stuff. You want to give away a free report or a free guide or a free cheat sheet or a free checklist or a free ebook. In return for giving that, you get what's called an email. You're going to get what's called an email. It's very important, right? So for example, this is something I'm giving away. This is a free report. And this is a report. Look at the title here, the 7 steps to getting a sexy flat stomach. So I said before, I'm in a weight loss niche. So what you can do is you can create a free report. Keep it simple, maybe 2, 3, 4 pages the most, right? And you can give this information to people, and then people will give you their emails. And then when you get their emails, you can do this. You can do what's called email marketing. Let me show you, right? So if you go here, so once I give my gift, right? Once I give this, once I give my free report to people, right? People come to my opt-in page, and I give them this free report or this free guide. They give me their email, and when I receive their email, I'm gonna send them some information, right? And this is gonna be, for example, this is some information. Now this is an email that I'm giving to people regarding a different product that I'm promoting. And here they're getting access to a free book called The Ultimate 9-to-5 Escape Plan, right? So they get access to the free report, and I also provide my affiliate links in the email. So when someone comes here and they click on my link, it's going to take them to a affiliate offer, affiliate product that I am promoting, and then people can buy this product, right? People can buy this product. So this is why it's very important that you want to give away free stuff, so you can get free emails, so you can then send people emails, not only with your offers, but also give them some tips. Give them like 3 tips every day. 3 tips on how to lose weight, 3 tips on how to train your dog to stop barking, 3 tips on how to save money. Just keep it short and simple, and then maybe once or twice a week you can provide an affiliate link in your emails, and then people can buy your products, right? All right, let's go back here. Now step number 4, you just learned that. Now we're going to go to step number 5. Step number 5 is very important. Step number 5 is don't spam your affiliate links. So something you want to do, you don't want to do is you don't want to go to a Facebook group. You don't want to do this. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm in a weight loss niche. You don't want to spam people. So what people do is they'll go here. They'll go to a group, right? Like I'm in a weight loss niche. I'll show you weight loss, right? And people start spamming their affiliate links. That's a big mistake. You don't want to do that. So let me show you, for example. Let's go here. Let's go to this one, fitness and weight loss tips. I'm going to show you what I mean by spamming. People will come to these groups. Here it is, fitness and weight loss tips. And people will start spamming. Look at this. It says, do you believe that women take longer to lose weight? And then people start spamming their information, their links, right? You don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to provide value. All right, look at this one. This person needs help. She's asking how to lose weight in 60 days. Please help me. And some people may be helpful. Some people can give tips, but a lot of times people want to spam people with their affiliate. Look at this guy right here. If you want health-related product, then click here. This guy's promoting or spamming everyone, and so is this person. They're spamming everyone with their links. You don't want to do that. Keep that in mind, okay? So instead, what you want to do is you want to build a relationship with your audience. Remember that. So you want to build a relationship with your audience. So that's what I did. Going back here, that's what I did last year when I created my Facebook group. So what you want to do is you don't want to spam your affiliate links, and you want to instead build a relationship, right? So simply provide good quality content, right? Like whether it's a blog post or whether it's a YouTube video or whether it's on TikTok providing videos. Just keep that in mind. Okay, and the last tip right here, and let's go over this quickly one more time. The 5 steps on how to start affiliate marketing without an audience. So step number 1, find a good product to promote. Step number 2, choose a platform to find people. Step number 3, create quality content. Step number 4, give away free stuff. And step number 5, don't spam. Whatever you do, don't spam. Keep that in mind. All right. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this amazing training on how to start affiliate marketing without an audience. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to start a profitable online business from home, all you need to do is click the link down below, because I have an amazing free video that's going to show you how you can work from home, start a profitable online business, achieve financial freedom, and quit your job. Okay, and also I have an amazing free report I want to give to you. I believe it's the second or third link down below, so make sure you access that free report. And one more thing, if you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, share it, and post any questions you have. I will see you guys next time. Bye.